Good afternoon and welcome to a beautifully sunny Wellbeing Garden. As you can see, there's all sorts of flowers bursting out now. Everything's looking really quite green and lovely. I think one of my first, I've already started, and that was a little mini attack on some of the stinging nettles that have burst out. But a couple of jobs this afternoon. The grass will need to be cut again, I think. I'm going to run the mower around there again. And the algae is multiplying in the pond again, so I'll have a quick scoop around at that. Got a few more potatoes to plant, and we'll see what else happens. Stay tuned. Well, I think I got a bit carried away there, pulled out lots of stuff, lots of dead stuff that was within reach of the bank without getting my feet too soggy. You have to be careful because it gets quite deep in the middle of the pond, so just stay to the edge. Okay, bit of a silly question here. Have you ever bought a bar of chocolate from a shop where the chocolate has been stacked next door to the polos and the chocolate ends up tasting like polos? Just wondering whether if you plant potatoes next to a mint, your potatoes come out ready minted. Answers on a postcard, please.